Your charcuterie board looks flat and thrown together for one reason: wrong order. Pros never start with crackers. They start with anchors. Here's the exact layering trick that makes any board look magazine-ready in minutes. Step 1. Place your cheeses first. Choose 3 textures: a soft brie, a firm aged cheddar, and a crumbly blue, and set them in a loose triangle across the board. These are your anchors. Everything else gets built around them. Step 2. Add the meats next. Fold thin prosciutto slices into ribbons and fan a spicy salami into a shingled row beside each cheese. Folding, not stacking flat, creates height and shadow that photographs beautifully. Step 3. Fill every gap with texture. Tuck Marcana almonds, cornichons, and olives into small clusters, then fan crackers or sliced baguette into the remaining open spaces. Vary the shapes so no 2 neighboring items look the same. Step 4. Finish with fresh color. Scatter grapes, fresh figs, and a few rosemary sprigs into the last gaps, then drizzle honey over the blue cheese. Fresh fruit and greenery are what make a board pop in photos. Pro tip: the biggest mistake is overcrowding. Leave tiny gaps of bare board showing so the eye has somewhere to rest. What's your go-to charcuterie combo? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.